Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You are getting this error. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time. Error code 1000.7. While launching the Rockstar games, just to hit the error message, close to come to back from this Rockstar games, then I will provide best to prevent steps you will try to in this problem resolve and prevent it. So don't waste your time. Let's get started. The step. First step, we can go to remove Rockstar games running background. So we can go to open the task manager, then in the search bar and type Rockstar games. If there is running, just right click to remove from the that related Rockstar games application. Just you close the come to back from the task manager. After the you remove Rockstar games, then you can go to through the next solution of check whether it is correct time and date. So you can go to that Windows search bar and type that settings. We can click to open. Here you will see click on time and language, then click on the date and time. Here scroll down, you can go to since now section, then click on the since now button. After you have done, then you come to back from the date and time, then you can go to through the next solution. The next solution, remove Rockstar games unwanted apps or corrupted files. So you can go to open the file explorer. Here you can go to click on the documents and again open the Rockstar games folder. Then you can come to inside, then selected all, then right click to remove that all folders. If you have done, then you come to back from the this Rockstar games folder, then you can go to restart your system. After that you can go to relaunch the Rockstar Games Launcher. After that your problem will be solved, and if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for